So what can you expect when you switch over to a salt pool? Probably the first thing you'll notice is a serious reduction in chemical expenses. With a salt pool, you no longer need to buy chlorine, aldehyde, or shock. This is because your salt system generates the chlorine for you automatically every day in conjunction with your pool's equipment. The work it takes to keep your pool clear and blue is also greatly reduced, since you get a steady flow of chlorination that your pool typically needs. There is very little maintenance required by the salt system itself. Basically, you will need to keep up with the correct amount of salt in the pool and continue to monitor your basic water chemistry. Keep in mind, the salt in the pool does not get used up, and the salt system will tell you when it's time to add more salt. Most pools only require about $20 worth of salt a year. This is a salt cell, the part that produces chlorine. This will have to be cleaned from time to time, and on average, most people find themselves cleaning it once every 3 months, which only takes about 15 minutes. Lastly, salt pools remove any irritants found in pools, making the water more enjoyable to swim in. So no more red eyes or itchy skin, and most people can't even taste the salt in the pool. Hope this answers your questions. I'm Jared with Discount Salt Pool, and thanks for watching.